I can't thank enough. It will be always less. Please. We had a genuine intention and desire to entertain you, to help you, to show our love and gratitude. I'm really humble and honored to have you all here. Please pray for both Azim and Naomi.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, good evening and welcome here to Naomi and Azim's wedding reception here at the beautiful Marigold in Somerset, New Jersey. Make some noise for your newlyweds, your bride and groom. Make some noise for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Carr!